Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I will show you Snapchat media upload update remove. So basically what you're going to do here is you have to uninstall your Snapchat first. And then this time you have to go to any web browser. For this time, I am going to use Google web browser. So let me go to my Chrome and then I have to type Snapchat old version. So you can also type here Snapchat old version. And then you will see different websites right here. You can choose one. Everything is up to you. You have to make sure this one is legit. For example, the first one here, and you just have to look for the oldest version or old version of Snapchat. You can scroll down here, and then once you found that, you just have to click and then install. Okay, download, install it. Proceed with the instruction. So once you have downloaded the old version of Snapchat, then you can open it and see if this problem work. Now, the second method here, if this one didn't work, is you have to open your Snapchat, go to this profile at the top left corner, and then click the gear icon at the top left corner. And this time, what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down till you see bugs and suggestions. So you have to scroll down here till you see that feature option here on your Snapchat. So again, look for bugs and suggestions and then click report a bug. Scroll down here and then look for friends. Then here you can tell them specifically what happened. Okay, so you can tell them that you are encountering this kind of problem, like you have, or when you say media upload, update, remove, something like that, or you can say, hello, Snapchat team, can you please help me? I am encountering this kind of problem, something like that. You can also add attachment as a proof that you are encountering this kind of bugs and problems on your Snapchat. Okay, so you can copy this one, you can create your own. After that, what you're going to do is to submit this report. Wait for the customer service team to respond. You have to check your Gmail time to time and follow their instruction. So I hope after doing this, it will fix Snapchat media upload, update, remove. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.